Welcome to Naval Surface Warfare Center, Port Hueneme Division at Naval Base Ventura County in Southern California. The mission of this unique command, NSWC PhD for short, is to integrate, test, evaluate, and provide life cycle engineering and logistics for today's and tomorrow's naval warfare systems. PhD was established in 1963 as the Naval Ship Missile Systems Engineering Station and initially provided overall technical support for the Navy's Talos, Terrier, and Tartar-guided missiles. The command's responsibilities soon expanded to include engineering work for many new weapon and combat systems used by the Navy's surface fleet, and to support the entire life cycle of those systems. In 1992, to align with its parent organization, NSWC, and its growing portfolio of maintenance and modernization sites, NSWC PhD took on its current name and joined a family of 10 NSWC warfare centers spread throughout the country. Today, we are a technical authority and expert on advanced and forward-facing in-service engineering, test and evaluation, systems engineering, product support, and surface ship warfare systems integration. The command also keeps track of emerging technologies through its expanding research and development efforts. Let's take a closer look at our primary missions and the unique facilities we use to perform fleet support, test and evaluation, and research and development. As an in-service engineering agent, PhD facilities and test sites provide the fleet with around-the-clock access to products, services, training, and maintenance support. For example, the Mission Package Support Facility, or MPSF, opened in 2009 to keep pace with changing Navy ship platforms, such as the Littoral Combat Ship, or LCS, mission modules. These packaged components are installed to increase the ship's capabilities, and the command maintains, integrates, and sustains them. Given its location near existing Navy and commercial support infrastructure, including Port Hueneme's deepwater port, the MPSF was recently designated a hub for unmanned undersea vehicles for in-service engineering and training. NSWC PhD also meets its operational fleet support mission through a one-of-a-kind facility, the Underway Replenishment, or UNREP, test site. UNREP is a process with specialized equipment that Navy ships use to receive consumable goods, munitions, parts, and fuel from supply ships while at sea, enabling them to remain indefinitely underway. As the Navy's only fully equipped and operational UNREP test site, our team of professionals offer the latest equipment for the delivery and receiving parts of the system. The site also provides invaluable hands-on training for sailors. Another asset tied to our operational fleet support capabilities is located at the Virginia Beach Detachment. Home of the command's surveillance radar group, our Virginia Beach Detachment provides life cycle management and in-service engineering for surface and air search radar systems, automatic tracking systems, and radar computer programs. Personnel perform these critical engineering services in surveillance radar labs and various cooperative engagement capability land and mobile units. A second critical mission for PhD is the test and evaluation of naval weapons in live fire events both onshore and at sea to assist the Navy with assessing and purchasing larger weapon systems. Two special facilities that allow the command to safely test and evaluate weapons are the nation's only remotely controlled warship and a simulated warship in a New Mexico desert. The Self-Defense Test Ship, located in Port Hueneme, is the only Navy facility that provides an at-sea, remotely controlled naval systems test and evaluation platform without risk to personnel. The ship allows system and component-level testing at sea with realistic salt air, sea spray, and shipboard motion and vibration dynamics. Originally designed to test only self-defense weapons, the test ship can now be installed with myriad naval systems. The command's second test ship is surrounded by miles of desert scrub. The White Sands Detachment in New Mexico joined NSWC PhD in 2000 and operates the Desert Test Ship. This mock ship performs live fire test and evaluation of naval weapons, including missiles, guided munitions, and high-energy laser technologies. This detachment, small in personnel but mighty in capability, has tested critical weapons in conjunction with NASA, the Missile Defense Agency, and many foreign military partners. One of the facilities that continues to expand to meet the Navy's emerging test and evaluation needs is the Surface Warfare Engineering Facility, or SWEF. Located in Port Hueneme, the SWEF is one of only a few places in the world where the Navy can analyze in a controlled environment how its ships' combat and weapon systems perform. SWEF labs provide a virtual environment with radars, launchers, and computer systems that simulate current and future configurations of these systems so engineers can troubleshoot problems without impacting surface ships and sailors at sea. The newest addition to the command's umbrella of state-of-the-art facilities is helping turn the once science fiction of laser weapons into a reality. Completed in late 2021, the Directed Energy Systems Integration Laboratory, DIESEL for short, is a dedicated facility for test and evaluation of laser weapons in a maritime environment. NSWC PhD operates the 3-story lab at the Point Mugu Sea Range of Naval Base Ventura County. DIESEL is an example of how the command's capabilities are keeping pace with new and emerging technologies, assisted in part by its internal research and development team. The command has recently expanded its research on advanced technologies for more future-facing fleet maintenance and in-service engineering support. One example of this is our use of LiDAR scanning to create 3-dimensional digital models of warships to more accurately install and repair equipment. In another, we are using virtual reality and augmented reality to help train sailors on combat systems, as well as emergent maintenance and repair procedures. Another technology we are exploring is additive manufacturing, including the possibility of using 3-dimensional printers to manufacture certain replacement parts for ships. Our engineers and technicians are exploring using metal and plastic 3D printers at the off-site FathomWorks lab for these purposes. Speaking of the lab, FathomWorks launched in 2019 as a hub where Navy experts interact with academia, industry, and other technology innovators. The 20,000 square foot facility at the Port of Hueneme is dedicated to innovating, testing, and prototyping capabilities and the technical transition of those new capabilities to the Navy fleet. The lab includes an additional 40,000 square feet of flex space for demonstrations, events, and exercises. From its modest beginnings in 1963 to today, the command continues to redefine and expand its mission of fleet support with lifecycle engineering, test, integration, and logistics support of naval weapon systems. This tight-knit community of more than 3,600 scientists, engineers, logisticians, business professionals, and sailors takes pride in keeping the warfighter safe, lethal, and mission-ready as we exceed the needs of America's Navy.